Great content deserves great clicks. Let's fix your thumbnails today. Most content fails before people even click. Here's why. In this lesson, AI becomes your personal thumbnail designer. Let's discover the 5-minute AI thumbnail workflow.
Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a busy marketing executive or professional creator, you already know the ultimate frustration. You spend weeks on a brilliant campaign, a pivotal presentation, or this incredibly insightful article, only to have it completely ignored. Capturing audience attention is literally harder than ever right now. But today, we're going to transform your visual engagement strategy in under 5 minutes. We're diving into how you can design professional, highly click-worthy visual assets using some really simple AI workflows. And the best part? Absolutely zero design skills are required. Okay, so here's the roadmap for our briefing today. We're going to start by diagnosing the painful zero-click problem, then we'll build out your AI design toolkit. After that, we'll walk through the actual 5-minute workflow step by step, review a few golden rules of design, and finally, look at how you can scale these assets across your entire brand. All right, let's jump right into section 1, the zero-click problem. This is, without a doubt, the biggest bottleneck blocking your audience's attention. We really have to acknowledge a painful truth here, and it's perfectly summed up by this quote from our source material. Your content is good, your thumbnail is why nobody clicks on it. Think about it. You and your team can spend weeks putting together the most insightful industry report in the world. You can craft the absolute perfect email sequence. But if the visual packaging looks basic or like a total afterthought, people literally just scroll past without a second thought. It's harsh, I know, but in the digital age, we absolutely do judge books by their covers. It's the ultimate executive struggle. On one side of the equation, you have this immense effort, the brilliant strategy, the endless hours of research, the late nights fine-tuning your copy. And on the other side, 0 clicks. And why? Just because of a basic design bottleneck. Most beginners are so exhausted from making the content itself that they spend 0 time on the cover image. But the pros who are actually growing at scale, they found a much smarter way to bridge this gap without spending hours starting from a blank canvas. So how exactly do we fix this? Let's move to section 2 and build out your AI design toolkit. Now, the beautiful thing here is that your new toolkit doesn't require a design degree, and you definitely don't need to learn complicated software like Photoshop. Instead, think of it as hiring a team of 4 highly specialized digital assistants. First up, ChatGPT handles your title copy. Second, Adobe Firefly generates these stunning, royalty-free backgrounds. Third, Leonardo AI steps in when you need ultra-realistic, stylized images. And finally, Canva AI brings the whole shebang together for the layout assembly. Working together, these tools completely eliminate that design bottleneck, so you can actually get back to focusing on strategy. Okay, let's put those tools to work in section 3, the 5-minute workflow. This is your step-by-step tutorial to go from a blank screen to a pro-level asset. The really crucial point here is that this is a strict linear 4-step workflow. It's incredibly straightforward. Step 1, you brief your copy. Step 2, you generate your visual background. Step 3, you assemble the pieces. And step 4, you finalize the design. That is the entire end-to-end process. And once you get the hang of it, executing all 4 of these steps takes literally under 5 minutes. So starting with step 1, briefing your copy. We're using ChatGPT here not just as a fun gimmick, but as a direct, high-level copywriter. You feed it a prompt asking for bold, high-click, emotionally compelling titles. Because let's face it, instead of a forgettable title like Q3 marketing strategies, ChatGPT is going to give you something curiosity-driven, like the Q3 strategy that doubles engagement. It gives you text that actually performs, and you simply grab the strongest option to use. Then for step 2, you need your visual foundation. You just drop a descriptive prompt, something like futuristic digital workspace, cinematic lighting, dark background, into Adobe Firefly or Leonardo AI. Boom. In seconds, you get a premium, commercially safe background image. You have absolute creative control here. Whether you need a sleek tech aesthetic for a product launch or a modern corporate vibe for a pitch deck, you get it instantly. No paying thousands for stock photo subscriptions, and no waiting days for an agency to email you back. Next, you move to step 3 and assemble everything in Canva. You upload that AI background you just generated, and maybe drop in an image of your face with the background removed. From there, Canva's AI text-to-design and magic write features basically take the wheel. The AI automatically generates the perfect layout and seamlessly layers your images. No manual cropping, no wrestling with layers, no guessing if things are aligned properly. The AI does all the heavy lifting to format that bold ChatGPT text right before your final export in step 4. Now, having the tools is fantastic, but section 4 is what guarantees that premium editorial feel. Let's look at the golden rules of design. There are foundational design rules you really must follow, no matter what you're creating. First, always prioritize high contrast between your background and your text. Think a really dark background with crisp white or yellow text so it absolutely pops. Second, remember that an expressive human face always performs better. We're psychologically wired as humans to look for eye contact and emotion. It instantly builds trust. Third, use the rule of thirds formatting. Put the human face clearly on one side and the text on the other. And finally, maintain a consistent brand color palette across all your assets so your audience instantly recognizes your content in their feed. And you've really got to stick to this strict text limit. The number 6. You should be aiming for a maximum of 4 to 6 words per visual asset. Why? Simply because shorter is stronger. When someone is speed scrolling, they do not have time to read a full sentence. Keeping it to 6 words or less creates urgency and curiosity, which makes your asset significantly more clickable. All right, here is your final stress test, the 120 rule. Before you export anything, zoom your design way out until it's just 120 pixels wide. That is exactly how it's going to look on a tiny, crowded mobile screen. If you can't read those 4 to 6 words when it shrunk down, the design failed. It doesn't matter how beautiful that AI background looks. If your audience can't read it, they definitely won't click it. Always, always test this before you consider the job done. Let's transition to section 5 and look at how this simple strategy unlocks a massive amount of cross-industry value for you. While we focused a lot on YouTube thumbnails, which, don't get me wrong, are incredibly important, this exact workflow empowers busy professionals across literally any industry. A SaaS founder can rapidly generate striking social media banners for a launch. A real estate executive can build premium presentation headers that actually win over high net worth investors. An educator can quickly design pro-level course covers that drive signups. It's the exact same 4-step process, just applied to different canvases to scale your visual quality overnight. So that brings us to the final question. Are you ready to design your first AI asset today? I want to leave you with a challenge. Go reclaim your time and step completely out of that design bottleneck. Test out this 5-minute workflow using ChatGPT, Firefly, and Canva. Then drop your very first design into the Fecund Circle WhatsApp community to get some real constructive feedback from everyone. The tools are right there. The workflow is incredibly simple and the results are instant. Please don't let your brilliant content go unclicked just because of a basic visual. Get out there and start creating.
In this lesson, AI becomes your personal thumbnail designer. Today you learned the complete AI thumbnail workflow.
Create one AI thumbnail and share it with our community.